Welcome to How to Solve.
In today's video, I will teach you how to convert an image into Excel. So you might have this data, but you don't want to run through and you don't want to type in those numbers and words into Excel because it is time consuming. So what are the ways for you to convert that image or that screenshot into an Excel? So let me run you through. The first thing you need to do is to go to your data and then go to your from picture. Now assume that we already have the image of that data, whether it is a screenshot or you have taken it from a camera. So once you've insert the file, a data from the picture will be shown. And then when you scroll down from here, you can see that there is a red mark. This indicates that Excel just want to clarify if this is a right number or a right word that has been shown in this Excel, or if it is right or not. So you just have to click on it. So it states here that it is number 74. And if you want to accept that, just click accept. And in that case, if all of the data is right and you are satisfied with the outcome, then all you have to click on is insert data. And in here, it shows that one item still requires review, but for me, I'm already satisfied with the result and that won't affect the data as much as I know. So let's just insert anyway. So we can see here that we already have the data that came from the image that we have downloaded. So the difference between an image you have taken from the camera and a screenshot is that when you have taken the image from a camera, you have to choose picture from file. But when you have taken a screenshot, you have to choose picture from clipboard. This is because when you have taken that screenshot, that certain image of the screenshot will be directly in the clipboard. So that's just it. And you have to make sure that it is just the right proportion of the certain table you are trying to capture. So there would be no errors when Excel tries to convert that certain image into Excel.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.